helping revolutionize hole cutting one saw at a time. The M.K. Morse Company presents the newly designed Bimetal Hole Saw. Bimetal hole saws are the optimal solution for quick, dependable hole cutting in all sorts of materials. They are also a great value, supplying dependable performance at a reasonable price. Here are a few tech tips that demonstrate proper operation of bimetal hole saws when cutting steel. First, insert MA34 arbor into the drill chuck, positioning it so the three jaws of the drill chuck line up with the flats on the shank. This creates more surface contact area, preventing the arbor from spinning in the chuck. When using a keyed chuck, tighten the shank snugly in the drill, then use the 3 key locations to tighten the chuck evenly on the shank, securing the tool. This will ensure that the tool is properly centered for use. Next, pre-drill with the pilot drill without the hole saw attached to the arbor. This prevents damage caused when the pilot drill breaks through the opposite side of the cut and helps release resistance from feed pressure. When changing hole saw sizes, do so with the drill unplugged or the battery removed. Thread and tighten the hole saw, MK18, onto the arbor. Run at the proper RPM for the material being cut. Non-ferrous metals, such as aluminum, can generally be run at higher speeds, close to full trigger. Mild steels generally run at mid-range or half trigger, whereas stainless and tool steels need to run at slower speeds, 1/4 trigger or less. Hole saws need to be turning at optimum RPM before entering the cut, again reducing the potential for tooth damage. Use consistent, even feed pressure, making sure that the teeth are in plane with the material. This can be confirmed by watching the beginning of the cut. If initial contact to the surface of the workpiece doesn't produce a full circle, pressure is uneven and needs adjusted. In deeper cuts, chip consistency in color and thickness can also be used as a gauge to proper alignment. Burnt chips indicate overfeeding, whereas powdery chips indicate rubbing, not cutting. Once you have finished the cut, remove the slug from the hole saw using the side speed slot as leverage. When it comes to metal cutting, no one beats Morse. And like most of our products, all bimetal hole saws are proudly 100% designed, manufactured, and packaged exclusively in the United States. Dependable, versatile, and efficient. That's the Morse way. Users across the globe rely on Morse, and you should too.